What's the meaning of Buffy? Buffy. Buffy.
Buffy. Buffy. Buffy can refer to a few different things depending on the context. It can be a nickname for someone named Buffy or used as a shorthand for the TV show Buffy the Vampire Slayer, which was created by Joss Whedon and starred Sarah Michelle Gellar as the titular character. In the show, Buffy is a teenage girl who was chosen to be the Slayer, a powerful warrior destined to fight and defeat supernatural forces, particularly vampires. The show gained a cult following and is celebrated for its feminist themes, witty writing, and innovative approach to genre storytelling.